back to the Pangary investment channel. Like usual, I want to make a quick update on my portfolio so far. Investment mainly I do here is a long-term investment. Sometimes I play with option. Well, lately I've been playing with a lot of option. If you take a look at my, I've not been posting a lot, so with playing option, my portfolio kind of moved a little bit much crazier than usual portfolio. Like here, I was down 9%, then back up to zero, up, down. But it's been crazy. But with this strategy, I often beat the S&P 500, which is the purpose of a long-term investing mainly. So right now, I'm not in any option. I think I closed out my option position here. So I just want to discuss, like usual, my long-term portfolio, what I have here. I do make a bunch of updates here. I cut some of the stock name that I don't want to, and I added to the one with more potential that I think have better in the future and long term ahead. So that's it. Let's just cut in and review my portfolio. First one here is the services company. This is a hospitality company that I have, hotel and everything. It's the ticker symbol LVS or Las Vegas Sands. I own one share, $62.95. Next one is the retail online market, ticker symbol BABA or Alibaba. I own one share, 177.01. This is the theme parks and entertainment segment is DIS or Disney. I own two shares, $269.70. Moving on to the technology sector, I have here MSFT, Microsoft, one share, $126.10. Facebook, FB, one share, $186.40. NVDA, I added one more share here. I have two shares, $319.40. I think this is like the third or first. No, it's like third biggest position I have here in the portfolio. Next one is AT&T, the telecommunication. This is used to be my first highest position, but right now this is the second one. I'm gonna reveal the first highest holding that I have later. I own 11 shares, 343.68. Moving on to this is still another communication company. It's a Telkom Indonesia. It's a Indonesian communications in the national level. Really nice here. I have two shares, quite small position, $51.10. International Business Machine or IBM, one share, $134.40. A gaming company, ATVI, Activision Blizzard. I have two shares, $92.56. TCEHY, Tencent, one share, $46.58. This is another gaming company, NTDOY, Nintendo, one share, $43.06. Moving on to the consumer segments here, I have PG, Procter & Gamble, household and bunch of tools, consumer goods. I own one share, $106.70. Tesla, this is my automotive company. It's moving in the electronic vehicle business. Has been destroyed the past 3 months here. It's hitting the 52-week low, but I'm still holding it. Tesla, yeah, I own one share, $231.57. Next one is a beverage company, PEP, PepsiCo. This one is really a beast company. It's been hitting all-time high, and I think, yeah, they're hitting all-time high again today. Really nice here, PEP. One share, $129.35. Next one is another beverage company, BUD or Anheuser-Busch InBev. Their most popular brands is the Bud Light, Budweiser, and all that drinks. I own one share, 83 cents. Moving on to the healthcare companies that I've been adding several companies here to my healthcare, as mentioned in the previous video. I own here Johnson & Johnson, J&J, one share, $136.91. LLY, Eli Lilly Company, one share, $115.62. I really love the animal segments that I have here, really nice. ABBV or AbbVie, I own one share, $78.78. BMY, Bristol Myers Squibb, one share 46.78. They're still fighting to acquire the Celgene. It's a biopharmaceutical, I think. But it's such a huge plan of the acquired, so they've been hitting really hard here down in 1 year low. So, but they got some pretty nice dividend there, so that's why I was interested in it. I'd probably add more again to it. Um, I have here UNH, United Health. It's an insurance company. Really nice. There's, I think, the biggest insurance company in United States. They've been hit hard on a Democrat plan on their Medicare and everything. But there, I have one share, 235.01. Got good dividend here. But yeah, I own Amgen, AMGN, one share, 169.87. I've been down here 6%. I think they're at 1 year low as well. 1 year, yeah, 1 year low. They got a pretty amazing dividend as well here. But yes, I own JP Morgan Chase, JPM. This is moving on to the financial company. I own one share, 1110.05. And then I have, this is the one that replaced my first highest position in my holdings, which is AT&T. Is Boeing. I own one share, $346.60. Really nice here. They I think they paid 3% now, not 2.1. I acquired this one after they've been hit really hard, dropping all the way from $440 here to the $346 zone. Well, they didn't hit the 1 year low, but I think acquiring here is pretty. I think it just makes sense. Less risk and higher reward to the upside. They're a strong company if you take a look at the 5 years. But yeah, just right now they've been surrounded by a bunch of fundamentals about their plant crash, the regulation that they're having surrounding their products, the Boeing Max 737. But buying at this condition and selling at high is one of my plan here. Really nice. So yeah, just not very much reasoning to that, but this one has replaced my first highest position of my TNT. So yeah, that's real nice. It's an industrial company. They're moving into aerospace and defense company. If I look at here, they explain it's an aerospace company which engage in manufacture of commercial jetliners and defense, space and security systems. So that's real nice segments, and they're very broad in their products. So I really like that. This is another industrial company that I have here. I used to own this back in the day, but this one has provided a discount at 174.12 here. They hit even lower than the December low of S&P. This is one of the Dow 30th. So they also, let me see, they got a nice dividend too as well. So yeah, this is a real nice company. The only thing that hit them right now to this low is the fact that China and US is having a trade war. That's why the industrial company is really into the collusion there. So that's I think that's why they hit. Also, the drop is not only by that. I think it's about the earnings report too. They had a pretty rough guidance, but I think I acquired them just today, just today actually. They're dropping, keep dropping here, along with the tariff that have been replaced by the President Trump. But long term, this one should be a pretty huge and stable company. I think they're a dividend aristocrat as well. So that's about that. Moving on to the last one here, I have the energy sector, CVX, Chevron. I own one share, 122.14, and this is just my watch list down here. I have SPY to track the S&P 500, AAPL and Amazon, the largest S&P 500 holdings, just to kind of to track what's been happening in the market. So just reviewing the S&P 500 performance here, up 59.59% here. So the target is just in the long term. My plan is just to beat the S&P 500 simply, and well, yeah. I think that's it. I'll be updating. I know that there's not so many changes. I just want to update here what I've been doing in the market. Let me know if you guys have or share the same position of mine. This is just a sharing, not anything in this video is purpose as a financial advising. I'm not any kind of sort of professional. Just wanna kind of share and for entertainment purposes. If you guys find it if you guys find it entertaining, click the like button, share in the comments, and subscribe. All right, peace out.